This is a look inside my CryptoHopper back office. Free trial subscription, the Bunny subscription, normally $20 a month. Running the signals on Bittrex. Quick look at my trade history for the last week. This is during the market crash, where it's typically hard to make any good trades. Starting on February 3rd, you can see all trades are winning. And the last two trades selling out on Litecoin this morning at just 1.97%. I have my settings to take a profit anywhere above 1.9%. And the biggest factor, besides the default setups that I've tinkered with, are the current coins I'm trading with, and playing those coins which are at least not falling as badly as the rest in the marketplace. You can still see that I'm holding 2 losing positions out of the 15 trades or so. These are on Ethereum coins, which I expect to come back. I could sell them out of slight loss. Overall, I would have lost 2 out of about 15 and won the other remaining trades. Here you can see the overall investment and growth on the portfolio. Having started with a deposit of 0.005, I deposited with Rex a week ago.